Let's wait for 2 minutes. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Yes, fine. So say Google login. Let me share my screen. Google Colab login. Okay. So let me share my screen. So today we are going to talk about the what is we are going to talk about today? Data structure lo ఏ part మాట్లాడుతున్నాం? Data structure in what part we are going to talk about in data structure? In data structure dictionaries. So today we are going to talk about the list. What is this? Once again, today we are going to talk about the not to list tuple. List already అయిపోయింది. మళ్ళీ లిస్ట్ కావాలంటే నేను ఏం చేయలేను. It is recording. So మీ క్లాస్ కన్నా recording is very important. Fine. Okay. So what is list? First, what WHAT, what is
Unknown caller.
Sir, good morning. Okay. అవును సార్ బాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు? వచ్చారు. ఈరోజు మరి ఏం చేద్దాం సార్? 9 to 10 లాగా అవునవును. అంటే కాదు సార్, మేము రింగ్ తీసుకున్నాం. అది అందరం ఇస్తే బాగోదు కదా, ఆ గ్యాప్ మాకు కావాలి. ట్రైనర్ ఓకే. అయితే సార్ మేము ఏమనుకుంటుంటే ఆల్రెడీ డిన్నర్ ప్లాన్ కూడా మేము చేసేసాం. బార్బిక్యూ డిన్నర్ ప్లాన్ నేను చేసేసి ఆల్రెడీ. ట్రైనర్ తరపు నుంచే నేను చేసేసి ఆల్రెడీ డిన్నర్ ప్లాన్. సో బార్బిక్యూ నేసి నేను మేము ఒకసారి చెప్పి బుక్ చేద్దామని చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకే. అచ్చా, అట్లా తీసుకోమంటారా సార్? నేను చూస్తాను. చూడండి సార్, మీరు చూడండి, చూసి చెప్పండి, నేను బుక్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే 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 ఓకే. అచ్చా అచ్చా, ఓకే సార్, ఓకే 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 సార్. చూస్తా, తప్పకుండా తప్పకుండా సార్. మా ట్రైనర్స్ నుంచి రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఆ రూమ్ బుకింగ్ కానీ కేక్ కానీ పబ్లిక్ ట్రైనర్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి. రిక్వెస్ట్. ఓకే. సార్ మీరు ప్లాన్ చేసి చెప్పండి, బుక్ చేసే కూర్చుని ట్రైనర్స్. ఓకే సార్, ఓకే. So what is tuple? Okay, tuples are ordered collection of items, same like list, but that are mutable. These are immutable. Once you assign, you can change like list. Okay, so if you assign orange, you can replace like apple or banana, like where you have replaced in the list, right? So tuple are ordered collection of items
that are immutable. అదే లిస్ట్ ఏమవుతుందంటే జస్ట్ ఐఎం ఉండదండి. లిస్ట్కి ఏమవుతుందంటే ఐఎం ఉండదు, టుపుల్కి ఏమవుతుంది ఐఎం ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఇమ్యూటబుల్. దే ఆర్ సిమిలర్ టు లిస్ట్, బట్ దే ఆర్ immutability makes them different. Makes them different. Immutability make them different. అదే చెప్పాను, immutability అంటే చేంజ్ చేయలేకపోవడం. ఓకే, సో హౌ టు రైట్ దిస్? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, how to write this? Come over here, click on notebook, creating. Okay, what are the things we are going to discuss in this? So in this we are going to discuss the first part is introduction to list is done. So second part is creating tuples. So second part is axing tuples. Axing tu is nothing but tuples. Third is tuple operations. Tu is nothing but tuple operations. Fourth is immutable nature of tuples. I am immutable nature of tuples, immutable nature of tuples. So fifth one is tuple methods. Tuple methods. Sixth one is packing and unpacking tuples. Seventh one, nested tuples. Eighth one, practical example and common errors. So let's come here first. If you go with this bracket, they will be called as a list. If you go with this bracket, we call it as a tuple. Clear? How to identify? The bracket wise. If it is tuple. If it is like this, it is list. Okay, so now come down.
Unknown caller.
Sir. ఓకే సార్, నేను అనుకుంటలేను సార్. అవును సార్. ఓకే అంతే సార్. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్. empty tuple. Okay, tuple will view like this. Okay, print print empty empty tuple tuple. Next, print type empty tuple. Okay, so click on print. Okay, it's my bad. Tuple. Okay, I supposed to do, okay, to print a tuple. Okay, print empty tuples. So print empty, type is empty tuple. Yeah, right. What is this? Which type it is? Class type is tuple. So next one we are going to do with the, while I'll show you one more time, come here. Same thing, creating the tuple only. So LST equal to LIST, and what type of bracket you are using? We are not using list. See the bracket first of all. Don't go with the new number. అక్కడ ఏముందని చూడకండి, బ్రాకెట్ టైప్ ఏముందని చూడండి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ప్రింట్ టైప్ LST TPL print okay, click on this, done. So what is this? Class is okay, this class is list, but what type of it is? Tuple. So ఎక్కడ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది? ఈ లిస్ట్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది, and then it is going to print the ఈ లిస్ట్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది, and it is going to print the what type of this is? Tuple. So next one is, now I'm going to talk about the number equal to tuple, number equal to tuple, number equal to tuple. See which bracket I'm going to doing first of all? C type bracket. So then I will open this 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma. I'm going to show you very something here. So come here, 5 comma 6. Okay, now say NUM PRS numbers. Now it's going to print the, you got the 1 2 3 4 5 6. You got a tuple or list? Tuple only you got. Whatever you put it in the C type bracket, either it is what type of bracket, it doesn't mean. It is going to take the tuple only. So you mention the list bracket, but on first row you mention the tuple bracket. So it's taking the only that bracket, it's eliminating the list bracket. Okay. So next we are going to talk about the come here. So LIST list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, so enter this. See the difference? Okay, now next one is mixed tuple. What do you mean by mixed tuple? Mixed tuple comes under the equal to 1 comma hello world comma hello world comma 3.14 comma true print print mixed tuple, print mixed tuple. Hello world 3.14 true. Okay, so next I'm going to talk about the accessing the elements. Okay, accessing the tuple elements. Tuple elements. How to access? Just say numbers here. Do you have a numbers over there? Do you have a numbers equal to then C? So what is this? Okay, I added a small one second. Now come here once. Fine, come down. So I'm doing so in say just numbers here. You are going to access the, is it tuple or not? Yes. Next. You are going to access, how you are going to access this? So same print, print print, numbers numbers. What is the position of 2 here in the index? What is the position of 2 here? What is the position of 2 here? 2, 0, 1, 2. What is the position of 2? Please. 3. This is 0. This is 1. And this is 2. Position of 2 is always the position start with 0. Okay. So next one, position of -1 means print numbers. -1 means what are you going to say? -1. 3 and 6. Why it is 3? Position 2 is 3. So -1 is it comes on the last. Okay. Next one, same thing. Sorry. Same thing. Come here. You are going to access in the numbers numbers. Print numbers. My bad. Print numbers. Print bers numbers. I'm going with the print numbers. I'm going with the numbers. Let's go with the numbers 0-4. Okay. What is 0? What is 4? 0 is 1. 1 is 2. 2 is 3. 3 is 4. 4 is 5. So now let's click on this. What you got it here? What you got it here? Yes or no? So next one we are going to talk about the, let's see the one more thing which is very common here. So numbers -1. So go from the last. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Always you are getting what type of bracket? Tuple type or list type? Tuple type. So tuple operations we are going to start. So far what we completed is, we completed the creating tuple. You access the elements of tuple or not. Now we are going to the tuple operations here. So what do you mean by tuple operations? Come here. So tuple operations. Tuple operations. So tuple operations are nothing but the concatenation or nate, concatenation, tuple, tuple equal to numbers plus mixed tuple. Okay. So concatenation tuples equal to number plus mixed tuple. What is numbers you have here? Please come here once. Yes, please come here once. What the numbers you have here? What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the mixed tuple you have? 1 hello world, 3.4 true. Yes. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just add it. So you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the numbers, and you are going to sum what is the mixed tuple here? What is the mixed tuple here? 1. So you are going to get say tuple called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 comma hello world comma 3.14 comma true. So come here once. So come down, click on this. Sorry, print. Done. Clear. So next what we supposed to do is come here once. Next we are going to talk about the mixed tuple into 3. What is mixed tuple into 3? Into 3 is nothing but the multiplication. Into 3 is nothing but the, so come here first. Mixed tuple into 3. So now 1 hello world 3.4 and then true. How many times you are able to see in this? 3 times or 1 time? But here 1 hello world 3.4 true. 1 time 1 hello world 3.4 true. 2 time 1 hello world 3.4 2. How many times? So into 3 is nothing but it is multiplied with 3 times or not? Okay. Next we are going to talk about the number into 3. What do you mean by number into 3? You have how many times? 1 to 6, how many times you have? How many times you have? But if you go with the numbers into 3, then how many times it is going to print for you? How many times it is going to print for you? Yes. So next one, come here.
Plus 93,400.
Immutable. Meaning and enti. Meaning their elements cannot be changed once assigned. Elements cannot be changed once assigned. For example, LST equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. LST. I'm going to say example. What is the difference between list and tuple? Okay. So print equal to print printer int printer equal to LST. So here also you need to go with the LST. Okay. LST. Okay. So now LST 1. What is the 1 position? 1. What is the 1? This is the 1, right? So equal to Madhu, and then print printer LST. What it is going to print first for you? Come down. Element is changed or not? Element is changed or not? Here you have a 2, but here you have a position is the 1 here. This is the 1 position. In 1 position, what is the Madhu you are able to get instead of 2, you are able to get 1 or not? Changed or not? Can we try the same thing with the help of numbers? Okay, you clearly observe. Go here. Where is that? Go here. Yeah. What you have numbers equal to? My question is, what you have a numbers equal to? Numbers, only numbers. Numbers equal to what you have? Where is that? Numbers equal to what you have? Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So come down. So now what I'm going to show is, I'm going to show how to change this. So numbers, NUMBERS numbers, position of 1 equal to MADHU Madhu. Okay. So now type error. Okay. Tuple object cannot support item. List key, or the difference between tuple and list is only this. What is the difference between list and tuple? Once you assign the value, you can change it. That is called difference between list and tuple. In list, you can able to change the values. In tuple, once you assign, you can. Item assignment is not changed. So now, click on this. You're going to talk about the NUMBERS numbers, and you say click on numbers. You're able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we are going to talk about the tuple methods. So come here. You have seen the operations. Immature of tuples you have seen or not? Okay. Next one, you are talking about the tuple methods. So come here once. What is the meaning of tuple methods? Come here. So tuple methods. So print print numbers dot count 1 print numbers dot index 3. So click on this. 1, 2. Click on this. You are able to see why it is 1, why it is 2. I want to make a clear idea for you. So my question is, count veru, index veru. 1 any times undi. See here, please observe here. In numbers, how many times you have 1? Please here. How many times you have 1? Okay. So what is the index of 3? 0 is a 1. 0 index, 1 value. 1 index, 2 value. 2 index. So index 3 is how much value? So for clear example, for clear here, what is the index of index value of 5? Here index is nothing but here index is not clear. I try to understand. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many index you have? 5 index. Okay. Now what we are going to do is I'm going to change the number values. I'm going to up and change the number values here. So what I'm going to do is come up once again, come up once again, come up, go to the numbers here. Where is the numbers? Okay, come here, numbers. So I am going to change 1 year. I am, and yes, I'm going to put how many times you have 1 year now? Okay, so come down, come down, come down. Okay, I'm going with the index is 5. See, 0 is 1, 6 values ఉన్నాయి. Okay, కానీ index ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 5 index ఉన్నాయి. ఎందుకంటే index number start with 0 నా. Values వేరు 0. 0 value 1, 1 value 2, and 5 value 6. So I'm going with the value is 5. Now how many? Sorry, 6. Yeah. Again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Unknown caller.
1 second. 1 second. Let me go with this. Let me go with this. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Control C. I'm going to do something else. I'm going to make a clear explanation. 1 second. Come down. Come down. Remove this part. Okay. Num1 equal to num1. Enter. Print it or not? So now what I'm going to do is, so click on this. I'm going to say tuple tuple methods print print num, only num, not num1 only, dot count count. Which count you want me? I'm going with the 4. How many times I have 4 here? Print num1 dot index is, I will go with the 5 index. I will go with the 5 index. Okay. So okay. Now come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Come here once. How many times I have 4? How many times I have 4? 1 time. Okay, fine. The 4 is 1. So what is the index of 4? Index 5. Index 5 is 4. So now I'm going to do something else. I'm going with the 4 here. I'm going with the 4 here. I'm going with the 4. How many 4s you have? How many 4s you have? 2 4s. Okay, so once again, first run this, second run this. Clear now. You should run this first of all. I'm not supposed to run that, and then I'm directly running this. So if you go with the one more 4 here, go and click on run here first, and then click on run here. Clear? Now you know what is the count and what is the index now. Count how many 4s you have. Index position of that. Next, we are going to talk about the packing and unpacking of tuples. Packing and unpacking of tuples. So PACK and packing and unpacking TU tuple. So packing PACK repacked tuple equal to 1. Hello. 3.14. Print packed one hello and 3.4. One hello and 3. So why? So packed tuple, print the packed tuple. Okay. So now I'm going to say, see here, packed tuple, print the packed tuple. Now I'm going to say this is unpacked tuple, which is a packed tuple, which is verified. But I'm going to talk about the unpacked tuple. What do you mean by unpacked tuple? I'll clearly explain you. Come here once. So unpacked tuple is nothing but unpacked tuple. A comma B comma C equal to A comma B comma C equal to PAC packed underscore TU PLE tuple, packed underscore tuple. So enter, print A, print B, print C. So what is A here? A comma, so let me erase this. Clearly observe, right? A comma B comma C. I want to print A. I want to print B. I want to print C. So what is packet tuple? What is our packet tuple one? One is comes under the A. Hello is comes under the B. 3.4 comes under the. So this we called as a unpacking tuple. Okay. So are you understand difference between packed and unpacked? Packed means only one value. So here you are able to see the. So value of A is unpacked to 1. Value of B is unpacked to hello. Value of C is unpacked to. Now we are going to see the unpacked with the different values. So unpacked with the numbers. Okay. So come over here. Click on code. Unpacked with tuples. Unpacking with numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First. Print middle, print last. So try to understand. First, middle, last equal to numbers. What is the first number here, please? What is the first number here? What are the middle numbers here? Okay, I'll tell you very clearly. The middle numbers are nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5 are middle numbers. What is the last number here? 6. What answer you got it here? First number is 1. Middle number are 2, 3, 4, 5. Last number is clear. Into marker. Okay. Multiple numbers రావాలనుకుంటే I will go with the. Okay. So if you remove the star number and check it, what will be the answer? Okay. What will be the answer? You check it. You remove the middle star over there and then you check it. Okay. So next we are going to talk about the nested tuple. What do you mean by nested tuple? I'll tell you very clear example. Come here once. So we are going to talk about NESTED, nested TUPLE tuple. So in nested tuple, it's nothing but nested tuple and then nested list, for example. For example, okay, LST equal to, so I'm going with the, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, okay, comma, okay. So you tell me whether it is list or tuple. I'm going with 7, 8, 9, okay, 9, 1, hello, yeah, fine. Now LST list 0 colon, sorry, 0. Another list is 0, 3. Okay. So please observe here. Please try to observe here. What is the position of 0, 1? From the list, what is 0 to 3? 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? No, it doesn't come 3 here. 3 means it doesn't come 3. Only 2 will come. 2 will come. So 0 position is 1, and then 0 to 2 is 0, 1, 2. 0 is 1, and 1 is 2, 2 is 3. So click here. What is the position of 0 here? 1. If you go with the index 0 to 3 means 0 to 2 only, not the third number it is not going to take. So 1, 2, 3. So come here. 3, 4. Sorry, 4 also it come. Okay. It takes the 4 as well. Okay. 0 to 3. It's my, yeah. Yeah, 4 also. I think the double, sorry, I forgot to put the double code here. One second. This gonna come with this. It's gonna start this. It should be here, right? Almost 0 is to 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 second. So first one is hello 3.4 C. So double quotes, okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, comma 1, 3, 4. It should actually get the 1, 2, 3, 4. Ilaga ravali. Only 1, 2, 3 ravali. So
Sir, there are 2 brackets after 4. You can see.
Acha, okay, yeah. It's my bad. Okay. So comma, let me open one more bracket. 6, 7. Now it's good. Okay. Let's click here. You got 1, 2, 3. So this is comes under the 0. Okay. I'll tell you very clearly. So you have a lot of index. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. It's saying that 0 to 3 is nothing but 0 is 1, 1 is 2, and then 2 is 3. You got 1, 2, 3. If I change this to 1, this is 1. So 0 is to 3. So it's going to print 6, 7, 8 or not. Let's see. So if I change it to 1, if I change it to 2, this is a 2 or not. So if you go with the 0 hyphen 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear? Okay. Next we are going to talk about the, actually now we are going to talk about the, okay, tuple. Nested tuple. Now NESTED, nested underscore tuple, okay, equal to tuple equal to, what you supposed to do is open this 1, 2, 3, okay, close this comma, A comma B comma C true comma false. True comma false. Okay. So now you need to close one more time here. Okay. Now what you do is print NES nested underscore tuple. The value will be 0. Value should be always in a which bracket? This type of bracket. Okay. NES TED TUPLE. Sorry, TUPLE tuple. Okay. The same thing. Print nested tuple. Control C, Control V. So I'm going to do with the 1, and then 2. So you tell me what will be the answer, please. What will be the answer, please? What will be the answer? So if this is the value is, so I'll tell you very clearly. Just give me a second. Where is my mouse? Yeah. So 0, 1, 2, right? 0, 1, 2. So in 0 means all these 3 it is going to come. 0 means all these 3 it is going to come. In this first one, you are able to get which one? What is second one? See, 1, 2, 3 is the first it is going to print. Second it is going to print the only C, because this first one, okay, it is going to print the second one. This is the first one, ABC. In ABC, what is the position of C is? 2. So come here. Right? Yes or no? Now we are going to talk about the iteration. We are going to talk about the iterating over nested loop. Iterating is nothing but you are going to talk about the for such kind of things is nothing but iterating. So what you are going to do, suppose to do is come here. So iterating over nested, iterating over nested tuples. Okay. For sub tuple in nested tuple in nested tuple. For item in sub tuple, print item comma and, okay, item comma and, okay, and then just come here. So what is this? So it is saying that for sub tuple, okay, in nested tuple, the name you are going to mention as a sub tuple in a, you have a nested tuple. For item in sub tuple, print the item and end. So it is going to print, I'll tell you very clearly, it is going to print 1, 2, 3, ABC, true and false, it is going to print. See here, the name you are going to, for I in range and unknown. Yes, now for I is nothing but sub tuple in nested tuple. From item in sub tuple, print the item, starting item to end item. So what is the starting item here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, middle item is ABC, end item is. So come here once. So 1, 2, 3, ABC. Okay. You got a gap or not? See, you got a gap or not? So if I don't give the space here, let's see here. Or you can understand. Yes. If I give the gap here, yes, able to understand. So it print 1, 2, 3, ABC, true and false. Let's conclusion. Tuples are versatile and useful in many real world scenarios where immutable and order collection of item is required. Value cannot be, once you assign, value cannot be changed. For that type, we use tuple. So they are commonly used in data structures, function, argument, and return values, and dictionary keys. Understanding how the leverage of this effectively improve your efficiency and readability of your Python code with the help of tuple. Okay. So is there any confusion between list and tuple? No. So it's clear. It is going to start with a C-type bracket. That is going to start with a square bracket. Clear? So next we are going to talk about the set. Why you is set? What are the things you are going to set? Only introduction I am going to give. I have some other work today. So set are built-in data type in Python used to store collection of unique items. So this is very important. In a list or in a tuple, you can go with the multiple values 1 1 1 2 2 3 3. In set, you can't go with one or more than one time. You can't go with Madhu more than one time. That is what set. See here, set are built-in data type in Python used to store collection unique items. Used to store unique item. Unique means, can I get double ones? Can I get triple ones? Can I get 3 4s? Can I get Madhu twice? It is not going to allow duplicated value. Okay, they are unrounded. Okay, unrounded meaning that means almost do not allow specific order and they do not follow specific allow duplicated specific order and to at the same time it is not allowed to duplicate elements. Set are useful for membership testing, eliminating duplicate entries, and performing mathematical set operations like union, insertion, differentiation, and semantic differences for that type of use set. Okay. So same whatever we are going to see, we have seen in the list and tuple. Those are things we are going to see in the tuple list as well. So set as well. Okay. So these are the things we are going to talk. How to create a set. Now, do we see the flower bracket thing? List, square bracket, tuple, theta bracket, list, set, flower bracket. So I'm going to show you this difference between, come here once. Okay, so create a set. To create a set, come here. Madhu set, Madhu underscore set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So come here, print Madhu underscore set. Okay, print type Madhu underscore set. Okay, so let me erase this. So come here, click on this. Printed or not? Okay, what I told you, it starts from with what bracket you are using here. Flower bracket indicates set. Theta bracket indicates tuple. Square bracket indicates let's see this. As I told you, it doesn't allow duplicate values. I have entered 1, 2, 3. How many ones I have entered? But here it is printing. So does it taking? So this is a difference between the tuple and list and sets. Sets are does not allow duplicated values, but it can add and remove all these things you can do. So whatever you have done in the, it is also mutable only. It is also mutable only. Can change the values, but it should be not a duplicated values. So if I enter the how many ones you have, so but it is taking how many ones? Only one. So allowing the duplicated values. No, that is the difference between list tuple and so dictionaries also we are going to talk that later, but I have some work today. So thank you. So once again, please don't leave. I want to show you something today.
ఇది మేము డెవలప్ చేసిన వెబ్సైట్ ఇది. మేము నాతో కూడా ఇంకా అతను ఉన్నాడు కదా ల్యాబ్ కోట్, మేమిద్దరం డెవలప్ చేసింది ఇది. మీకు వీడియోస్ రికార్డింగ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కదా, మీకు జూమ్ లింక్ ఇవన్నీ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా సార్, అవేం కాకుండా ఈ యాక్సెస్ మీకు ఇస్తాం. మీరు అప్లోడ్ చేయకుండా మేమే ఏదైతే రికార్డింగ్ పెడతాం అవి మీరు వాచ్ చేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ వీడియోస్ ఉంది కదా, AWS టీమ్ ఉంది కదా, ఇది మేము క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటాం. దీనికి పాస్వర్డ్
సార్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేయండి సార్ కంప్లీట్లీ.
ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా బ్యాచెస్, ఇలా వస్తే మీ ఈ యాక్సెస్ మీకేమో యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ మీకు డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇక్కడ వీడియోస్ ఉన్నది క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఇలా వస్తాయి వీడియోస్. మీకు ఇంకా డౌన్లోడ్ ఆప్షన్ పెట్టాలో లేదో ఆలోచిస్తున్నాం. డౌన్లోడ్ ఆప్షన్ పెడితే మీరు డైరెక్ట్ గా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఇక్కడే వాచ్ చేయొచ్చు డైరెక్ట్ గా క్లాస్. ఇంకా టైం పట్టింది, ఇంకొంచెం ఈ వీక్ లో అయిపోద్ది. నేను క్లాస్ ఇక్కడే వాచ్ చేసేచ్చు. మీరు ఇంకా డౌన్లోడ్ చేయాలంటే డౌన్లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. మీరు ఆ జూమ్ లింక్ వస్తుంది, మనం డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా క్లాసెస్, అలా కాకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇక్కడే వాచ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు వీడియోని. ఇంకా
ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా ఉంటాయా సార్ దానిలో?
ప్రతిదీ ఉంటుంది, డాక్యుమెంట్ ఉంటుంది, ప్రతిదీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అన్ని ఇందులో అప్లోడ్ చేసేస్తాం. ఇంకా ఈ వీక్ టైం పడుతుంది, అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మొత్తం మీకు ఇచ్చేస్తాం యాక్సెస్. అందుకే అయిపోయింది, ఆల్మోస్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఏవి ఎక్స్పైర్ ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా డైరెక్ట్ గా మీకు రియల్ టైమ్ లో సర్వర్ ఉంటది కదా, ఆ సర్వర్ మేము క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. సార్ది ఓల్డ్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంది, పాత ల్యాప్టాప్, అది మేము సర్వర్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం దాన్ని. ఆ సర్వర్ ఎప్పుడు రన్నింగ్ లోనే ఉంటది. ఆ సర్వర్ మేము మీకు రియల్ టైమ్ లో సర్వర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా కంపెనీస్ లో, ఆ సర్వర్ అలాగే మేము ఒక సర్వర్ చేస్తాం సార్ పాత ల్యాప్టాప్ ని. దాన్ని మేము ల్యాప్టాప్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుని పుట్టిదో ద్వారా రన్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాం. మీకు ప్రతిదీ ఏది అప్లోడ్ చేసినా ఏది చేసినా ఇందులోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది.
సార్ ఇది ఎలా కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి సార్ ఇప్పుడు?
మేము ఇస్తాం, మీకు లింక్ ఇస్తాం, దాని ద్వారా ఓపెన్ చేయండి. మేము లింక్ ఇస్తాం, దీనికి డైరెక్ట్ గా యాక్సెస్ చేస్తాం. ఇది ఉంది కదా, ఇది కొట్టేసి వస్తాయి కృష్ణ విత్ డెవాప్స్ అండ్ XYZ. ఇది డొమైన్ నేమ్, డొమైన్ కూడా సెక్యూర్ చేసాం, కనెక్షన్ ఈజ్ సెక్యూర్. ఇది ఓన్లీ నాకు సార్కే ఇంకో సార్ ఉన్నారు కదా, మా ముగ్గురికి యాక్సెస్. ఇది మీకు కూడా యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తాం. మీకు యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ అకౌంట్ డైరెక్ట్ గా యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చేస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే మీరు కూడా యాక్సెస్ చేసి మీరు కూడా డైరెక్ట్ గా అప్లోడ్ చేసేచ్చు ఇంకా వీడియోస్. ఇంకా ఆ యాక్సెస్ మీరు ఇస్తే మీరు ఏ వీడియోస్ పెడితే ఆ వీడియోస్ పెట్టేస్తారు అనుకోండి, ఆ క్లాస్ది పైథాన్ది. అందుకని జస్ట్ మీకు ఈ వీడియోస్ ఇలా వస్తుంది వెబ్సైట్ అంతే, ఈ లింక్ ఇస్తాం అంతే, ఇది ఒకటి ఇస్తారు అంతే. ఇక దీని గురించి ఇంకా పూర్తిగా అప్డేట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత నా మ్యాక్సిమం సాటర్డే కానీ నెక్స్ట్ మండే కానీ అయిపోద్ది. ఇంకా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి ఏంటి అనేది. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఓకే,
Yeah, thank you.
ఓకే.